Do you see like numbers?
Yep. And the red lights flash. Is it recording now then?
Should be.
All right.
Hey, I'm Sam.
Oh. Yeah.
Hey.
What's your name?
Matt.
Matt? Good to see ya.
So.
Okay, I've never driven this car, so if you see me anything I'm screwing up on,
Okay, I
me
can
know.
drive if you want me to.
So you start on the
I wouldn't care if you drive, but I ain't riding with you.
Then you got another.
Oh.
Then your crash belt.
Looking for switches.
Where does that go?
They're right.
It just worked your
Oh,
way
right
fast
here.
on
Yep,
this
just
buckle.
turn the ignition on and then push the button to
Like
start
that?
it.
And then your other shoulder belt.
Big.
We usually count we'd leave this.
Then pull those down until they're.
Yeah. Everything I've watched about this doesn't really need to be tight. All right, you ready?
Yep.
Put the window net up here. Okay. What do you think?
That was alright.
Is it anything like you thought it'd be?
A little bit better.
A little bit better than you thought? What was different, or what was?
I didn't expect the side G's to be as big.
You didn't expect side G's to be? Yeah. Well, they're not that big when there's another car out there and you can lean on them, you know? I hope you enjoyed it, bud.
I did, thank you.
All right, man.
Got it all on camera too, huh?
First guy I ever seen climb out of a race car with shorts.